Guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Thank you so much for stopping by on this beautiful sunny day here in Zone 7B. I just wanted to show you my quick little daily harvest. I've been getting daily harvest for quite some time now, and I've been eating out of my garden daily, and I just want to share that moment with you. I no longer wait for a supermarket harvest. I get what I can get when I can get it and keep growing and keep dropping those seeds. So I want to show you just what I've got growing on.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, we are back, and before I go over and show you what I've got growing on in my garden, I just wanted to say, if you are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget, take a second, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Give the video a thumbs up, and as always guys, share the video out. I really would appreciate that. Okay guys, let's go ahead and see what I've got growing on and harvesting in my garden. Okay guys, so today my harvest consists of some Swiss chard, some spinach, peas. Those were a couple of small pieces of garlic that I'm going to put in my smoothie. I got some more blueberries after I put my camera down. So I've got blueberries, Swiss chard, spinach, peas, garlic. Oh, and I got a beautiful jalapeno la bamba 2-pepper. I'm stuffing that baby and having it with my smoothie for lunch today. Yes, I am so thankful for my garden and how it's growing, and that I'm starting to be able to eat from it daily. So don't necessarily wait until you have 20 peppers out there or whatever. I mean, you can, but you can also go out there as they grow and get it and have it and eat it on a daily basis, because our garden should sustain us in 2 ways at least: daily needs, long-term needs. So eat from your garden every single day if you can, and prepare and preserve from your garden every single day if you can. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today. Again, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me here in my garden, Zone 7B. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. My channel members, blessings, thank you so much. Everyone, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it out. And until next time, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.